Hey, fellow Legonians, fellow Brick fans, and fellow YouTubers of the viewing audience. This is Dave Frost. Well, I'm reporting in once again with another LEGO set review, and this time it is of the 40370 train from 40 years ago. I'm not exactly sure when it received its 40th anniversary, but I'm sure there's a way to find out, and we'll look for that when I look at the box. Anyways, so here's the train, the locomotive, the 7810 steam engine, and the conductor, and there's quite a bit of stickers. Of course, these two are stickers. That's a sticker. 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 And that's all the stickers. What's really cool is that when you look down in here, you're looking at the back of the front end of the locomotive. And the minifigure can actually fit in there, if that's how you want to display it, of the minifigure driving the locomotive. So there he is, driving the locomotive. Of course, it's a bit awkward. Let's try to figure this out. Of course, it does help taking the roof off. I don't know why I didn't do that in the first place. Sorry that my arm continues to be in the way. There we go. Now it's in there correctly. And it can go on actual train track, like RC train track. And that's what I've done with this locomotive, is taken it, put in front of the passenger train that looks like a high heel shoe for women. That's the best way I can explain how I think of it, because that's what it looks like almost. So I put it in front of that train and it just pushes this one along. And it works great. So yeah, you have the option of putting the conductor or engineer in the cab, or right here on the display stand. Now let's look at the box. It's not giving me a year number yet. Maybe here. 2020. So 40 years ago, from 2020, is when this train first came out. And there's the classic version of the train. looks pretty dang similar. Because of course it would. The only difference is the display stand. Anyways, that is all I have for this review. Thank you all so very much for watching. Please stick around for more great LEGO and Transformer content coming to the future of this channel, as well as upcoming LEGO set reviews. And I shall see you all next time. Don't forget to hang loose, and so long.